ICMR's head of virology, Dr. Nivedita Gupta, has been allegedly accused of image manipulation and plagiarism in two of her papers. This was tweeted on Twitter, and somewhere it has been claimed that there has been image manipulation and plagiarism. To talk on that, we have the head of virology, Dr. Nivedita Gupta, with us. Thank you, ma'am, for your time. What is this allegation that it has been posted on Twitter, and how do you respond to that, ma'am?
So to my surprise, there was a tweet that a paper that I published in 2004 in a journal called Mycopathologia, there is an image manipulation. But I would strongly urge that the interpretation is not right. There is no image manipulation. The thing is that this study was conducted in 220 burn patients over a span of 2 years in 2002 and 3 during my PhD work. And in this study, out of the 220 patients, we got positive samples for fungal infections from 138 patients, of which 7 patients had disseminated fungal infection. When I say disseminated, it means that the same fungus could be seen in their oral cavity, that is the mouth, the burn wound, as well as the blood and tissue swabs. So this study kind of indicated that the burn patients, they lose a lot of plasma and they become immunocompromised over a particular period of time, which is a short span actually. And then once they are immunocompromised, the fungus which stays as a normal flora in our body, which is Candida albicans that I'm here talking of, can also invade the bloodstream and cause disseminated infection in burn patients. So this study was the largest and first of its kind study in India, which showed that fungal infections can invade bloodstream and even can cause death in burn patients. So the images which appear same are the fungal samples which have been collected from different body locations of the same patient. And the whole crux of the study is that the same patient has fungus all across the body in the bloodstream, and that is why before this study came, people were not giving antifungals in Safdarjung Hospital, which was the biggest burn and plastic surgery unit in Asia at that time. So after this study, they started giving antifungals in burn patients who were not responding to antibiotics, which in turn helped save a lot of lives also. So I really urge that this study should not be misinterpreted and the importance should not be undermined, because the images that you see same are actually the same fungal strain which are from different body locations of the same patient.
The other allegation that is there, ma'am, is of plagiarism. What do you have to say about that? This is a paper that refers to about 2015.
So the 2015 paper was a small study, which was a review article, which was compiled for one of the reports of Health Ministry, which is actually the first author, and the corresponding author is a person called Dr. Prajit Acharya. It's not me. And it's a review article. We don't claim it as an original research at all. And in review articles, you always quote the work which has been done by other people. It's not your first-hand research, and we don't claim it anyway to be a first-hand research there.
Okay. So, Dr. Gupta, we have seen you on the COVID task force. You have been leading the charge of COVID in India also at some of the working groups also. What do you think is the intention behind this? Has anybody, those who have leveled the charges, have reached out to you? What is the intention? What is that you anticipate might be the intention behind this?
So this came as a surprise because nobody has ever reached out to me. This is part of my PhD work. The thesis also has been reviewed by external referees, people, the head of department of Safdarjung, as well as my PhD guide at that point in time from a prestigious university like Jawaharlal Nehru University. And nobody ever reached out to me regarding any image manipulation. This was straight away posted on Twitter. And it's an 18-year-old study. I really do not understand the intent of bringing it out at this point in time, where the methods have also changed now. And definitely I'm strong on that scientific part that no image manipulation has been done.
And you reject all those charges of plagiarism and image manipulation?
Absolutely.
Thank you, Dr. Gupta, for your time. With video journalist Bilal Hassan, this is Ayushman for Mirror Now.